Hi, my name is Vanessa Giraldo, and this is my last semester in the maths program. I am a full-time student and a mom of two little girls, ages 4 and 10, and I am currently living in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Being a mother is an identity that I use throughout my program experience and personal growth, and it is also a big part of my capstone project. My capstone project is an informational website geared toward Forsyth County Animal Shelters volunteers to support pet owners with alternatives to surrendering their pets. My project's mission statement is to inform, educate, and inspire volunteers with ideas that they can use to help pets stay together with their families. Under the second page, which is Courses Impact, you will be able to find my project abstract part 1. This is my project abstract part 1 helped me reflect on the maths program courses that I took, and the reflections is what helped me create the foundations for my capstone project. Right underneath, you will be able to find all the 11 courses that I took in the maths program, and I made links to each one of them where you can click to explore what each course is about and what I took away from each one of them. At the bottom of the page, there are 3 main themes that stood out to me the most from all the courses that I took in the maths program. The first one being historical context. In almost all of our maths courses, the professor always begins by introducing the history of the subject, allowing us to gain a historical context to the future information and learning that we will be doing in the course. The second theme is change agent and identity. Global defines the overall work that I have done in the program. The key words for this theme includes global change agents, domestic and global issues, and culturally sensitive subjects. Becoming a change agent has taught me to adapt to challenges and to be resilient. It is through this theme that I have learned that sometimes domestic solutions to domestic issues could be possible solutions to global problems as well. As most of us know, much of the time in the maths program was spent self-reflecting on the present, the past, and the future. The maths program has introduced me to new concepts, issues, and solutions, all which have become a part of my identity as I became passionate in becoming an active change agent and inspiring others to become change agents themselves. The third theme is the importance of meaningful connections. The maths program has taught me that building relationships cultivates change. Within my personal or professional life, I know that it is all about the people and how we can relate to one another. This process of creating meaningful connection leads to the understanding of each other, and it creates intimacy, trust, and belonging, all of which then leads to engaging in ethical decision making and compassion. The 3 main mass transformative learning attributes involved in my project are adaptability. Being in a pandemic has demonstrated that we must be able to handle changes and be resilient in ambiguous situations. Adaptability has allowed me to see beyond the noticeable problems in order to find innovative solutions. The second is empathy. Empathy has taught me the importance of understanding someone else's narrative and to view things from different perspectives. It has taught me to become an effective listener, a collaborator, and communicator. All of these skills have transformed me into a better person overall. And the last one is intercultural competence. And this has taught me the importance of being able to have positive interactions with people from different backgrounds and cultures. It has also taught me to be mindful, flexible, and self-aware. As of right now, my project status, due to the pandemic and the shelter being understaffed and overcrowded, I am currently not implementing my project in real life. At the moment, I am just focusing on adding more details to the website so that I can share it with the person in charge of the volunteers at Forsyth County Animal Shelter. Currently, my project is about 75% complete. I still have to add more videos, research, and images to make it more aesthetically pleasing. However, it will be a continuous informational website that will require updates as needed. Once again, thank you for watching my presentation. I invite you to visit both of my Mass Portfolio website as well as my informational website. And please feel free to send me any concerns or questions via email, which is vanetrules3@yahoo.com. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.